Special route files.
Yes, hello everyone, and welcome to today's class. Today, there is day 74 of our development course. There is day 74 of our development course, and today we're going to look at special routes, special route pages. Okay. So today we are going to look at special route files. Okay. So this is what we're going to look at today in today's class. Okay. So yesterday was day 74. Yesterday was day 73. Yesterday was day 73, and we managed to look at the responsive header. Okay, looked at the responsive navbar, the responsive navbar. Okay. So yesterday we looked at a lot of concepts and even looked at how to create the pop-up. Okay, the pop-up menu, Okay. So this is a very crucial concept that we looked at yesterday, and this one here aligns with the header. Okay. So members, yesterday we looked at a very important concept, and this concept you're going to use it everywhere as far as making the header is concerned on a particular website. Okay. So members, if you missed yesterday's class, I would urge you to go back and you watch yesterday's video so that you be updated. Okay, because you're going to use this concept a lot in the future. Okay. So members, you can maybe take that off. And members, if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and notification icon so that you don't miss any of the upcoming classes. Okay. So members, and then we'll look at these special route files, and they are very special. And these special route files, and they are very special. Okay. So one of them we're going to start with is the not found page. Okay, we're going to start with the not found page. Okay. So this is a very, as a developer, you are supposed to be knowing various ways of navigating certain situations in case they happen. Okay. So members, this is a certain preservative which I can maybe say. And members, we are going to begin from where we ended yesterday. Okay. So today is a direct continuation from from where we ended yesterday. Okay. Yesterday. Okay. So members, when I come back to my application here, when I build yesterday, you can see that we had here, for example, the about us, the contact us, the find us, our services, okay, and even the home page, the page.tsx. Okay. So members, when I come back here, you can see that we have here, for example, my application is here. As you can see, my application is here. It has, for example, the home. Okay, that's, for example, the home page. We have here the about us. Okay, the about page. We have here the services page, as you can see. The find us page, as you can see it. The contact us page, as you can see it. And then when I come here, I have here, when I inspect and go down to the responsive bit, which we looked at yesterday, I have here the menu icon. Okay, this one we looked at it yesterday. I come here, I press the menu icon, it gives me the menu pop-up. Okay, the menu pop-up comes, and it has, for example, the home. I can navigate to the home page, and you can see I can navigate to the about page. As you can see, I'm on the about page. As you can see, I'm on the services page now. As you can see, when I come, I open the menu pop-up. I now come on the find us page. As you can see, it's there. As you can see, it's here. So I now come to the contact us page. This is what we looked at yesterday. Okay. So members, today we're going to start with the not found page. And as a developer, you are supposed to be knowing this. That, for example, if a person opens a page that does not exist, if someone opens a page that does not exist, how do we handle that? How do we handle that? do we handle that situation? Handle that situation. How do we handle that situation? Okay? How do we handle that situation? If someone opens a page that doesn't exist, how do we handle that situation? If you don't know this, you are going to find a lot of problems to come, okay? Okay. So as you can see, our routes here, we have here our routes, and our normal routes, you can say our routes are about us. This one is for the about page. Then we have here the contact us. This one is for the contact page, okay? Then we have here the find us. This is for the find us page, okay? Okay. Then we have here the services, and this one is for the services page, okay? Okay. So these ones are the registered routes that we have in our website, okay? These are the registered routes that we have in our website. So even if I come and say here, slash, just slash alone, it takes me to the home page because this is the registered route that we have. If I come and say here, slash about us, and I say enter. So this is the registered route for the about page, okay? Okay. So if I come and do, for example, slash services. So this one is the registered route for the services page, okay? Okay. So if I come and do, for example, here, slash find us, okay? Okay. So even this one is the registered route for the find us page, okay? Okay. So members, this is a something that is very, 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 you have to be knowing some bit of knowledge about this, okay? Okay. So if someone opens a page that does not exist, let me first come and open a page that does not exist. For example, let me open a page. Let me just think about a page. For example, the products page. The products page, okay? Okay. So if I tap there like products, if I come here and type here, for example, slash here products, okay? Slash products, okay? And I say enter, they're going to bring for me something that is very weird, okay? So members, if a client happens to open your page, if a client happens to open his website and they bring for him something that is weird like this, he freezes, he gets confused. He says, what is this? What is this? This is something that looks very weird. Yeah? This is something that looks very weird on the website. Okay? So this one alone is not sufficient enough to tell someone what they are made to do. Because here you can see that here there is nothing. The header remains when it is white. Okay? Now here there is completely nothing that can show someone to direct someone where they have to go. Okay? So this is very, very, very bad. Someone can freeze on this website. He says, what is this? This is a very bad user experience. Okay? This is a very bad user experience. Even if someone comes and opens here, for example, let me say here, maybe slash blog. Okay? Maybe they're used to opening blogs and it says here slash blog. So they bring him to this same weird thing which is seeing here, okay? Okay. So members, if we are a very good developer, you are supposed to design a very good not found page to guide someone on what to do in case they happen to fall in on this situation, okay? Okay. So this one here can make someone to be stuck, they freeze, they don't know what has happened to the website, they say, what is this? What is happening to the website? Okay? Okay, so members, you are supposed to be knowledgeable about how you can make this not found page look really nice and guide a user, okay? Okay, so members, here as you can see, I have here my images that I created here. I have here an image for the page that is not found. Page not found or not found page, okay? Okay, so let me name this one as, let me rename it. Let me rename it as the not found page, okay? Okay, so not found, let me just name it as not found, okay? Okay, not found, let me name it as not found, make it more precise, let me name it as not found image. Not found image, okay? Okay, so I'm going to get this not found image here and I put it in my project, okay? Okay, so my project is here, as you can see, my project is here. So when I come here and I put here in my public, I come in my public folder here. As you can see, this is the public folder for images. I bring my not found image here. I put it inside there, okay? Okay. So members, I'm going to design a very good not found page to guide a user on what to do next in case they don't see a page there. Okay. So members, after putting it there, I can maybe close this and I come there. So you can see in my public here that I have that image here. A not found image.png. Not found image.png, and it is here. Okay. Not found image.png. So members, how do we create the not found page? I come here. Are you seeing in my app here? In my app, I create here not found. I call it not found. Okay. I call it not found. Just like this. .tsx. Okay. Not found .tsx. Just like this. Okay. And I say here RFC, as you can see. Okay. RFC, as you can see there. It's here, not found, as you can see. So I don't call it not found as you see here. I can I name it like not found. Okay, just like this. Okay. So this is the page. This one you're seeing here, the not found, is the page that is going to be visible when someone fails to find a page. Okay, when they are searching and they fail to find a page. So members, this one here is going to help us a lot when we are dealing with a real system. Okay, and for example, you need a product and someone comes and searches for that product and it's not to be seen. Okay. So this one would guide us. Okay. So members, you have to prepare for the worst situation to come as a real developer. Okay. So I can come here and I design that page very well. As you can see here, I come and design that page here. I come and say here class name. Then I come and say here width, full. Okay. Then I come and say here height. Let me say here screen. Okay. Height screen. Okay. Then I come and say here BG. Maybe let me say like 600. Okay. Amber 600. Okay. Let me say here maybe BG orange. Okay. BG orange, and I say here maybe like 500, BG 500, as you can see. Okay. So members, I'm going to put there something inside this not found page. Okay. I'm going to put there like two things. I'm going to put there the first container is for the image. The container for the image. Okay. It's going to be this one here. This one I'm going to work on. So I'm going to put this one, the container for the image. I come and say here div. Okay. And I come and place here class name. And I come and say here class name. And I say here width full. Okay. And I come and say here height. Height maybe I may maybe say like maybe let me say like 60. Maybe like let me say like 60 VH. Let me say like 60 VH. 60 VH. Okay. And I come and say here BG background color. Maybe let me say here green for the start. Okay, just like this. So this one is like that. Okay. So I'm going to come inside this container here, and then I create. For example, let me just see if it's working at the moment. Let me reload and see if it's working. Okay, it's here. It is here. Coming. Okay. So we are searching a page that doesn't exist. For example, the blog page. It is not part of our page. Okay. So this one here, you are designing now the not found page. It happens. It only shows up when you are searching a route that does not exist. Okay. So I come here and right now let me say here maybe this is let me say green 500. Okay. Green 500. Okay. So and here maybe let me increase this one maybe 80. Maybe 80 VH and I see how it looks. So it's coming. Okay, like that. Okay, it's like that. So it looks like this. So I'm going to come here. I press here my image. Okay, my image. Remember, members, we are using image from next. Okay, next image. Okay. So I come. I press there my image very well, and I come here and say here source. You know very well that the image requires the source, it requires the alt, okay? It requires the alt, then on top of requiring the alt, it also requires the width property. It also requires the width property and the height property, okay? And the height property. It requires these four things, okay? These four things are a must, okay? So as you can see, the source is like this. I put there my public, my image that I put inside, okay? Okay, so I call it not found image.png. I put it there, as you can see, slash not found, not found, not found image, okay, dot png, okay? Okay, I put it there. Then I can come here and alt, and then I say that this one here is the, this one here is the, this one I can maybe say this is the not found image, the not found image, okay, not found image, okay, okay. Then I come here in the width property, and I can maybe give it width of maybe like 600, okay, and I give you a height of maybe like 400, okay, okay, just like this. So I'll see how it looks like. I'll see how it looks like. Let me reload. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Okay, it is here. It is finally here. Okay. Okay. So members, my image is here, as you can see it. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to come and put it in the center. I can come here and put it in the center like this. I come and say here. Flex. Okay. Then I put here item center. Item center. Then I come and say here justify center. Okay. Okay. Just like this. So it's coming in the center of my div here, as you can see. Okay. Okay, so it is coming in the center. So one other thing that I am seeing here, it's behaving like this in a weird way. Are you seeing it? So and remember, we say that our pages here must always and always, for us, we're giving our pages a max width, a margin of the width of the header. Okay, okay, because our header is fixed at the top. I say here, maybe margin top of maybe 15 VH, okay? Margin top of 15 VH. Of 15 VH, okay? Okay, so it's coming. Let's give it some time. Okay, it's there. It is here, okay? Okay. So as you can see, it's like this, and now it's pushing everything against where it is. So let me just call it maybe like 60 VH, and I see. 60 VH, and I see how it looks like. It's coming. Let me give it some time. Okay, it's there. So members, it's like this. Maybe let me give you maybe like 70 VH, and I see. Maybe 70 VH can work for me. Can 70 VH work for me? I'm trying to see. Okay, okay, it's there. So it's like this. Okay, it's like this. So members, it is like this. Okay, okay. And members, another thing that I can come, I put here some bit of class name on the content. I can come, I say your class name, and I come, I give it, for example, width. Maybe let me say here max width. Maybe I can give it maybe max width of maybe like if I give it max width full, let me see how it looks like. Max width full, and I see how it looks like. It's coming, and I see. So it's there, okay? Okay, it's like that. And I can come and give it, for example, height, then I give it, for example, full. Okay? Height full, okay? Okay. Mini height full. Okay? Okay, just like this. And I say it looks like, let me say it looks like, okay, it's like that, okay? It's like that. It is like that, okay? Okay. So let me come and give this container some bit of padding. Let me give you a padding of maybe like 2. Okay? Okay. It's coming. Okay, it's like that, okay? Okay. So members, as you can see, my image is very well placed in the center, as you can see it there, okay? Okay. So members, let me first try to come and see the responsive bit about it. The responsive bit of it, it's there. So members, it looks very good, okay? Okay, it looks very good. But maybe it's not, let me see, it's maybe not working out very well for me. Let me give you a mini height. Mini height of maybe like maybe let me say mini height full. Then mini height full maybe on MD. Okay? Okay. Then here on the normal screen, let me come and give you a mean height. Of maybe like a half, okay? Mean height of maybe like a half, okay? Okay, just like this. Mean height of maybe like a half. So that's what it looks like. Answer it looks like. It's coming. Okay, it's there. It is there, okay? Okay, minute over a half. As you can see it is there, okay? Okay, and maybe also this container here, the height should reduce on the small screen. So I can maybe come and say here, this one only works for MD, okay? So it only works for MD, okay? Okay, but now on the small screen, let me say here height is maybe like a 60, maybe like 50 or 60 VH, okay? 60 VH, just like this. 60 or maybe like 55 VH, okay? Okay, just like this. And I said looks like it's coming, coming. Let me give it some time. It's loading, coming. Okay, it is there. It is there. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, everything looks to be good. Okay. Okay. So on the responsive bit of it, it's like that. Okay. On the responsive bit of it, it is like that. So on the normal screen, it's like this. Okay. Okay. So as what do? We are left with only one thing. I come here and now, right now, I can see it's like this. Okay. It's like this. So members, we are left with I need to put here now this container here you're seeing here. I told you that this container you're seeing here, it is for the image, okay? This container is for the image. Now I want to put now a container to route someone to the home page, okay? I want the container, maybe the button, maybe the container to route someone, to take someone to the home page, okay? Home page. Take someone back, okay? Okay, not even take someone, to guide someone, to guide someone safely back to guide someone safely back to the home page, okay? Okay, now I'm going to create this container, okay? Okay, so I'm coming here and I create it here. I say here div, okay? Div, as you can see, and I say here class name, and I say here width full, okay? And I say here height, let me see what the height is, which one? I use the height of 70 VH, okay? I use the height of 70 VH here. I use the height maybe of 30 VH, okay? Okay, just height of 30 VH, okay? Okay, height of 30 VH, okay? Okay, and I say maybe BG, maybe BG. Let me say maybe BG of maybe. Let me first put pink and I see. Let me first put pink, okay? Pink of 400 and I see that container, okay? Okay. So I'll tell you how that container looks like. I want to see how that container looks. It's coming, okay? It is here, okay? It is here, okay? Okay. So as you can see, it's there. So but this 15 VH is this 30 VH is too big, okay? Let me give you like 20 VH and I see. 20 VH and I see. Okay? So I'll say it looks like 20 VH. It's coming. Okay. So maybe it's also still big, okay? It is also still big, okay? Okay. So let me first say it looks like. It's maybe, is it still big? Okay, it's still big. Let me come and give you maybe 15 VH. Let me come and give you maybe 15 VH. Okay? 15 VH, as you can see there, okay? Okay. So it's coming. Okay, let me see. Okay, it's somehow good. It is somehow good. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to come and put there a link to take someone back to the home page. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to put there like a button to take someone back to the home page because someone is now at this moment in time someone is lost. Okay. Someone is lost. Okay. Okay. So I'll put a button to guide someone back to the home page. Okay. Okay. Now I'm putting a button. We are putting a button. We are putting a link. A link to guide someone. Back to the home page. Okay. Guide someone back to the home page. Okay. Okay. Just like this. So I'm going to come here. I put that link. Okay. And you know very well that the link we are using a link from Next. Okay. A link from Next. Link from Next link. Okay. Okay. Just like this. So members, this is the link that we are using. Okay. Okay. So members, this is the link that we are using from next link. Okay. Okay. So this one here, I'm going to come I put there. I'm going to come I put there. Return safely. Return safely. Return safely. Safely or return back. Okay. Okay. I can maybe say maybe return to the home page. Return to the home page. Okay. Return to the home page, just like this. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to come and give it some class name. I come and give it a class. Okay. A class of maybe, let me say here, width full. Maybe width. Let me give you a let me give it a maybe. Let me first put some padding and I see. Maybe padding px. Let me put here px maybe of 4. Okay. Maybe let me put here px of maybe 6. Okay. Let me give you a px of 6 and maybe py of 2. Okay. Py of maybe 2. And I give you maybe a background color. Maybe background color of maybe red. Okay. Red of maybe 500. Okay. Okay. Just like this, and I said it looks like. And also text white, okay, text white, just like this. Okay. Okay, just like this. So I'll see how it looks like. I'll see how it looks like. It's coming, 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 it's coming. So members, this link here comes from next link. This link here comes from next link. Okay. Okay. This link here comes from next link. Okay, okay, I understand what the error which it's causing. So you're supposed to put here an href, okay? You're supposed to put here an href, okay? So you're supposed to put here an href, and this href here, you're supposed to put there like a link, like a link to guide me to the home page, okay? Okay. So I come here, I put here slash, okay? Maybe it's like slash, okay? Guide me to the home page, because the home page is one which has a slash, okay? Okay, so it's coming, it's coming. So it's coming, it's coming. Okay, it's there. So return to the home page. As you see, the button is here. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna come and center it I put it in the center. I come here on the overall container and I say here flex. Okay, flex. Then I come and say here item center, and I come and say here justify center. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, it's coming in the center. 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 Okay, it is here. Okay. Okay. So you can see it is here. Okay. It is here. Members, are you seeing it is here? The link is here. Okay. Okay. So maybe I can make it a little bit bigger so someone can maybe see it. Okay. Okay. Make it a little bit bigger. Let me come and make maybe let me give you maybe no, let me leave the 6. Okay. But let me add this one to maybe 4. Okay. And then let me put some bit of rounded, just maybe rounded. Okay. Okay, just rounded. And I say it looks like it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Okay, it's there. Okay. Okay, it is here. Okay. Okay. So it's like that. So I'm going to come here. Maybe rounded this rounded is it doesn't look good. Let me come and add here rounded. And rounded maybe like rounded of maybe like 2x. Okay. 2x or 3x and I see. 2x or 3x and I see. It's coming. Maybe it is not very good. Maybe 3x. 3xl. Okay, 3xl and I see. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It is there. Maybe let me say maybe 4xl and I see. Because this one here is not very good, okay? Okay. And so it looks like it's coming. It's coming, okay? Okay, this one here can work for me, okay? This one can work for me. So what maybe I can do, I can come here and maybe I give you some bit of Excel, okay? I maybe come and give you some bit of text. Text, maybe let me give you 2 Excel, okay? I make the text very large. It's coming, okay? It's coming like this, okay? Maybe this one is too large, it's too large. Let me say here just text Excel, okay? Text Excel. This one is too large. It's too large for someone's eyes to see. So okay, this one is good, okay? This one is very good, okay? Okay. So even on the small screen, let me first say it looks like. Okay, it's like that, okay? Okay. So the button is like that. So what I just need to do right now, I just need to come then I now remove the debugging colors. I now remove the debugging colors. So I remove this color here. Then I come here and I remove this color here, the green. You see the green now. I want to now remove the green, this green here, seeing here, and also remove the pink. Okay. Okay. I remove the green. As you see, the green is there. I also I remove the orange. This orange that I used in the beginning. Okay. Okay. And I leave it just to be plain white. Okay. Okay, just like this. So as you can see, it looks like this. Okay. Okay. So maybe let me just put there some bit of BG. BG may be like amber, like 200, okay? Okay, just like this, and I see how it looks like. How does it look like? Okay, so maybe it looks like this. Maybe I can maybe leave it like this, but maybe let me just maybe make it blue, and I see blue. Okay, maybe to rhyme with the image. Okay, to rhyme with the image which is at the background, and I see. So let me see. Let me see how it looks like. Let me see. It's coming. It's coming. Okay, maybe this one can work. Maybe this one can try to work somewhere, somehow. Okay, somewhere, somehow it can work. Okay, maybe let me first try to put 100 and I see 100 and I see. Let me put 100 and I see. It's coming, and I see. Okay, maybe this one can try to blend in somewhere, somehow. Okay, okay. So if I search an image that does not work, okay, if I search a link that does not work, okay, it's going to always it's going to take me to the not found page. Okay, this not found page you're seeing here, we have created it here very well. As you can see, it is here, the not found page. Okay, okay, you created it here and you came and said here not found.tsx. Okay, okay. So if I come right now, let me first go back to the home page. Okay, let me first go back to the home page. Okay, now I'm on the home page. Okay, so I search links that exist in my project. Okay, links that exist in my browser. So if I come, I say here slash home. Okay, if I come, I say here slash, just slash alone, it's going to take me to the home. Are you seeing the home is here? Okay, okay. So if I come, I say here slash about us, slash about us. Okay, slash about us. So it's going to take me to the about us page. It's coming. Give it some time. It's taking me to the about us page, as you can see there. Okay, okay. So members, if I come, I say here slash services, slash services. Okay, okay. It's going to take me to the services page, as you can see there. So if I come, I say here slash find us. Okay, slash find us. Okay, find us. So it's going to take me to the find us page. Okay, it's coming, take me to the find us page. If I come and say yes, slash contact us. Okay, slash contact us, slash contact. Okay, slash contact, and I see. Okay, this one does not exist. This one does not exist. Let me say yes, slash contact us, and we see. Okay, it takes us to the contact us page. So members, why does it take us to all those pages? We already have these links already here. The about us is here, the contact us is here, the find us is here, the services is here, and even the home page is here. Okay, okay. So if I search any page that does not exist, if I come and say yes slash products, if I come and say yes slash products, okay, slash products, okay, a page that does not exist, it's going to take me to the not found page. Okay. This one, it looks more smart and more decent, okay? To make someone, it's more visible, and someone sees that this page does not exist, okay? Someone sees that this page does not do what? Does not exist, okay? If I come and search here, for example, slash blog, if I come and say here slash blog, okay? It brings me this page that does not exist, okay? Okay. If I come and say here slash news, slash news, okay? This page here does not exist, so it brings me always and always to the not found page. Okay, okay, okay. So if I come and say here slash maybe anything that is weird, maybe let me say here 99. Okay, 99. It will take me to the page that does not exist. This one here will be very, very helpful for us when you're dealing with an application where you have products. Okay, okay. And you delete it, for example, like a product. Let me say you delete a product. Like you delete a product. Like you delete a product, okay? You delete a product, okay? So when you delete a product, you have to prepare for that time where the product page does not exist, okay? Okay. So to always bring us this page does not exist, okay? Okay. This is very helpful when you're building a website, okay? Okay. So members, I hope you have understood this concept. Have you understood it very well? Have you understood this concept very well, members? Have you understood this concept very, very well, members? Okay, should we move on? Should we move on, members? Okay, so let me go here, return home. Return home and we'll see. So members, that is enough for this concept, okay? Okay, I hope members you have understood it very, very well, okay? The not found page. This is the not found page, okay? Okay, it's a special route, okay? It is a special route file, okay? Okay, so we are moving to another one. We are now going to another one. It's called the error page. It is called the error page, okay? It is called the error page, okay? Okay. So here, members, we are now going to look at the error page, okay? Okay. So members, this one is also another special page, okay? It's another special route, okay? Okay. This one here, it only and only happens if someone, eh, if someone faces an error on the page, okay? Okay, so this one is another special page, okay? Okay, so members, here, when you're building an app on localhost, okay? When you face an error, for example, if you face any error, Next.js will automatically catch that error and it will show it to you, okay? Okay, so for example, let me try to cause an error. Okay? I'm going to try to cause any error which can be seen, okay? Okay, which error can I cause? I'm looking for an error that I can cause. So if I'm on this page here, I want to cause an error. And I see. Let me first cause that one and I see. If it's going to Remember, as you see, I've just removed this bracket here, okay? Okay. So members, I've caused an error. So here, Next.js will be sympathetic, okay? It will be sympathetic because you're on local, because we are on local host, okay? Okay. And it will show you the error very well that you have caused an error here. Are you see? Okay? Okay. And you see and you solve the error very fast. But now, members, when you are dealing with a hosted application, okay, a hosted application or a hosted website, okay, at that moment in time, the error will not be shown like this, okay, the application will just become white, okay, then they'll show you the application server down. They'll show you some weird things. For example, application server down, okay, contact maybe the developer, okay. So members, this one here, they'll show application server down. If I don't show this one, they'll just show like a white screen. Okay, a white screen. And remember, this is a bad user experience for a client, okay. This is a bad user experience for a client. Someone just see a white screen, and then it says, what is happening? Okay, this one just says a white screen, that there is a white screen on their application, okay. Okay, so members, you as a developer, you are supposed to know that if someone can face an error on the application, someone can face an error on the application, someone can face an error on the website, okay. Okay, so here when you're dealing with localhost here we can be sympathetic and it shows us the error. But now when you're having a hosted application already, when you put it on servers, for example, Namecheap, for example, GoDaddy, when you bought those servers and you put them there on Versailles, okay? So they will not be sympathetic to show you these errors. They'll just fire you the error there and then. The whole page will become white, okay? Okay, and this is a bad user experience for a client, the person who has paid this money for to build for him the website, okay? Okay, so you're supposed to wait, you're supposed to prepare for this thing in case it happens, okay? Okay, so you're supposed to prepare an error page. In case someone faces an error, a person can say to you, right, I have an error on the page, and he contacts you. Instead of seeing a white screen, and he gets lost, okay? Okay, so let's make that error page. Right now we are facing this error. Let me first solve it, and we see. So if I solve this error like this, okay? So if I solve this error, let me first take back. So if I solve this error, the error goes away, as you can see, okay? Okay. So members, I need now to create an error page in case that error shows up, okay? Okay. So let me just come and remove that bracket and we'll see the error is coming back. The error is there, okay? Okay. So instead of it showing me this thing here, I can create a customized error page. I customized error page to show that I have an error somewhere. Okay. So I come here in my app.tsx and my app folder, as you see it here. I got here error.tsx. Error.tsx. It's there. And I got here rfc, as you can see. RFC, as you can see, it is there. Okay. So I can come here. Maybe let me just make this one like capital RFC, like error. Okay. And I come, I got here my error page very well. And I come, I say class name. And I say here width full. Okay. And I come, I say here height screen. Okay, height screen. And I say maybe background color, maybe orange. I like so much orange. I just use it for debugging. Okay. I like so much to use orange. Okay. So as you can see, after me creating my customized error page, this one as you're seeing it here, they're going to change the inverse from what they did long time ago to what this we are doing here, because we are customizing now the error page. Okay. And automatically when we reload like this, let's reload and we'll see. They're going to give me an error page. Okay. They're going to take me to the error page. Let me first come and put here use client. Use client. Okay. So it's coming. Give it some time. It's coming. Let me reload. So this error here is not significant enough to maybe break me. Let me first come here. Let me take it back. Okay. Let me take it back. Now let me come here on my page that I've just created. For example, in the found page here, and I create some dangerous error. I just remove maybe this one here. I just remove maybe this route here. Okay. I won't put it back, but I just want to remove it and we'll see. Let me just remove that href. Okay. So let me come here and search here a page that does not exist. Okay. Let me come and search here maybe products. Okay. A page that does not exist, and I see. Okay. I'm going to a very bad error. Okay. And we see. So it's coming. Okay. Now my error page is there. It's because it's a very big error. Let me first comment the it is now here because that is a very big error. Okay. It is a very big error. Let me first take it back and you'll see. So we are now, if I take it back, I'm searching around that does not exist. Okay. I'm searching around that does not exist. So it will bring me to this page here 404. Okay. So now I'm going a very bad error. I just come and remove, for example, this one here, this href, okay, which is being on this button here. Okay. So they won't take me to the error page because this one is a bad error. Okay, a very bad error. In normal circumstances, if the application is hosted and an error happens, they'll just make the whole thing white. Okay, the whole website will become white, and that is a very bad user experience. Okay. So now this is the welcome guys. This is now the error page. Okay, this is now the error page. Before I go to the error page, let me first even remove the error page and you see it. First remove it and you see what's going to happen. Next.js by default it's going to bring for you the error. It consoles and brings for you the error very well. Okay. Now it's coming. Brings for you the error here. Okay. That the error is here. Okay. You remove the href. Are you seeing the pop href like that? Remove the href. Okay. Now by default it brings for you the error. But now let me take it back. Okay. I have now created my error page. As you're seeing, my error page is here. Okay. My error page is there. So now since I'm creating my error page, I'm now changing. I'm customizing the error from what they are supposed to give me. I'm now putting there the error page. Okay. So now you can see it's there. Okay, the error page that I've created. Okay, I created it here, error.tsx inside, and now the error page is here. So I'm going to come and create here. Before I can do this, okay, let me first create. I'm going to come and create here the image container. The image container for the error. Okay. Let me call it the container for the error image. Okay, so I'm putting the container for the error image, okay? Okay, just like this. Putting the container for the error image, okay? Okay, so I'm going to come here, I got that container. I say here div, very well as you can see. I come here and I say here class name, okay? And I say here width, full, okay? And I say here height, maybe let me give you maybe height of maybe like 70 vh, okay? Maybe like 70 vh, okay? And I say here background color maybe bg maybe green, okay? Maybe bg green, okay? Just like this, and I see. And see it looks like it's coming very well, okay? Okay, but this remember it is now being held up by this header here, because this header element is fixed, okay? Okay, someone come I put there margin top, okay? Margin top maybe 15 vh, okay? 15 vh, okay? Just like this. Some members I want to see how it looks like. It's there, it's coming. Give it some time. Okay, it is there, okay? Okay, it's it's like this right now, okay? Okay, so I'm going to come and bring my image. I want to bring here inside here an image, okay? Inside here, I'm going to bring my image, okay? Okay, so I'm going to come here. My file is here, okay? My file is here I'm working in. So I come in my public, okay? So I have here already my error image I got long time ago. My error image is here, okay? Okay, I'm not bringing it and I put inside my public folder here, as you can see. Okay, the error is there, okay? Okay, so I am going to maybe close it, okay? And I come here in my project here, and you can see my public folder. You can see it already has my error image. As you can see, my error image is there. It's coming, it's there, okay? Okay, so I'm going to come here and I bring my image inside here. And remember, we're using image from Next.js, okay? From Next link, okay? I say here image, okay? Image from Next image, okay? Okay, and I put like that. And remember, I told you that the image has 4 things, okay? It has the source, that image component has the source, okay? The second thing it has is the what? The alt, okay? And then it has the alt is there. The alt is there. And it has another thing it has is the width property. That's the width property, okay? Then it has even the height property, okay? Okay? Okay, just like this. Same as it like this. So I'm going to come here. I put here the source. As you can see, the source is which one? Let me put these buckets. The source is this one. It's this one slash error. Are you seeing the error.jpg? It's there. Come and say error.jpg, okay? And I come and say my alt is, this is the error image. This is the error image, okay? And I come and put here my width maybe can be like maybe 500 or maybe like 500, okay? And my height can be maybe like 400, okay? Just like this, okay? Okay, so my image is there very well, okay? Are you seeing my image here, members? Are you seeing my image? So the answer looks like it's coming, okay? Okay, it's there. So the next thing I need to do is styling it, okay? Styling this image. So I'm going to come here. I say a class name, and I say a width, full. Okay, let me say a max width, okay? Max width, full. Okay, so here I'm seeing here max width full, as you can see. Okay, max width full. Then I can come here and I say here height. Members, I can come here and I say here height. Then I say here maybe mean height, maybe let me say here maybe mean height full. Okay, mean height full. Then I say it looks like it's coming. Members, it's coming. Let me see. It's coming very well. Let me give it some time. Okay. So I think it has come. Has it worked? Has it worked? Mean height full. Max width is full and mean height full. Okay. So members, let me put this one to 600 and I see. Maybe it's 600, okay? And I see. So it come, okay, it's there. It's coming, it's there. So it's like this, okay? Okay. So and there's something which is happening here that I'm not seeing very well. I'm not seeing this one. It's happening here. So I need to reduce the height of this one here, the height of this image, okay? So I'm seeing something weird is happening. Maybe midnight, let me say maybe a half. Okay? A half, okay? Okay, and then I see. So let me see. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. No, maybe let me take it back to full. I don't know why it's misbehaving like this. I know why it's misbehaving like this, but let me reload. Let me reload and I see. I'm reloading. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming very well. It's coming. It's coming. Okay, it's there. But now I'm wondering why it's misbehaving like this. I'm wondering why it's misbehaving like this. Okay. Okay. Let me try to reduce the width of. Let me try to reduce the width of this one. Let me try to give it maybe 300, and I give this one maybe 200, and I see. Okay. 300, I give this one 200, and I see. Okay. It's there. It's there. Okay. Okay. It's there very well. So what I need to do, maybe let me give the width maybe. Let me give the width maybe 400, and I see. 400, and I see. It's coming. It's there. So let me give here maybe the width. Let me give it maybe 500, and I see. It's there. But now the width, the height is done. That is the problem. Okay. That is the problem. So let me see this one. It's there. Okay. Okay. So the image is there, as you can see it there. Okay. Okay. So let me come and give it some bit of padding. Let me come and give it some bit of padding. Okay. Okay. So the overall container, you see this container here. Let me give it some bit of padding. So I come here and give it some padding. Come, I say here P, maybe padding of maybe 2. Okay. Padding of maybe 2, and I see. It's there. Okay. So it is in the center. It's there. So the padding is there. So let me come and put it in the center. I want to come now, then I put it in the center here. Okay. Okay. And I come and put here maybe flex. Okay. And I say here item center. Item center. Then here justify center. Okay. Okay. Just like this. So it's coming. It's there in the center. Okay. Okay. So my error image is there in the center, as you can see very, very well. Okay. It's there very, very well. Okay. Okay. So it is there. It is there. Okay. Okay. So it's there. So I'm coming here. Now I come and I create now the container take me back to the home page. Okay. Okay. Now the container take me back. Take me back. Take me back to the home page safely. The home page safely. Okay. Safely. Okay. Okay. Because this is an error. This is an error. Okay. Okay. So I come here and create now my container. I come, I say here div. Okay. As you can see here div, and I come, I say here maybe class name. Maybe class name. And I give here maybe width full. Okay. And I come, I give here height. Height maybe, let me come, I give here maybe height maybe of 15 VH. Okay. And I come, I say here maybe background color maybe pink. Okay. Maybe pink. Okay. Maybe pink 400. Just like this. So I'll see it looks like. It's coming. Okay. It's coming very well, and it's there. Okay. Okay. So inside this content, I'm going to put there the button to take the link to take me back to the home page, because this is an error. Okay. This is an error. Okay. This is an error. So why do I need to keep repeating the same button when I already have a button which looks like this? Okay. So just come here to my where is my not found page? Where is my not found page? It's here. Okay. Let me just come and drag this one, as you can see here. Okay. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Okay. It's the same thing. I just come, I drag it, I put it there. It's the same thing. It's the same thing, but it will take this thing to the next level. Okay. Okay. So I come here, I put here my link here, my href very well. My href. Okay. My href, as you can see, it's there. My href is there, and I come, I link to the home page, just like that. That slash. Okay. Okay. So this one here is a link from next link. Okay. Okay. Just like that. So I've just copied the same button. I bring it here. I don't need to over suffer. Okay. Okay. So it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Okay. So I need to put it in the center. Let me put it in the center inside that container. Come, I say here flex. Flex. And I come, I say here item center. Item center. And I come, I say here justify center. Okay. Okay. Just like this. So it's coming in the center. So I come, maybe because this is an error. This is an error, members. Because this is an error. Okay. This is an error. I come and I put return home safely. Return to home page. Return to the home page safely. Okay. Safely. Okay, return to the home page safely, just like this. Okay, okay, return to the home page safely, just like this. Okay, okay. So this one here, and when I come, let me first come and remove the debugging colors. Come and remove the pink. Come and I remove the pink. Okay, and I come and I remove the green. The green you're seeing here. The green you're seeing here. Okay, and I come and I remove the green. Yes, then I come and remove the orange which you're seeing here. The orange. Okay, okay, the orange. I come and remove the orange. So the orange, instead of the orange, maybe let me just put some maybe white, okay, or gray, maybe gray or white. Gray maybe gray of maybe 100 can work for me, and I see. Okay, that one can work for me. Okay, okay. So this one here symbolizes that there is an error. Okay, so here symbolizes that there is an error. The person will get stuck. Okay, the website owner or the client cannot get stuck when an error happens on their page. Okay, okay. This one shows that there is an error. Okay, there's an error. Even the image is there everywhere. There is an error. He says, "Oh, there's an error." Instead of the page just becoming white, instead of the error just becoming white, showing a white screen. Okay, okay. So remember, this one is a very important concept. Okay, okay. So you can go back to the home page safely. Okay, okay. Are you seeing, members, that there is an error, but you can go back on the home page safely? Okay, okay. So now let me come here. I can put here maybe href, the href. Then I put here maybe like maybe then I put here, then I put here maybe slash. Okay, so the error will not happen again. Okay, the error will not happen again. Okay, okay. So on that error page, you can even put the telephone number. You can maybe put the message, maybe contact the developer. You can put a lot of things. You can put a lot of things on that error page. Okay, okay. This page you're seeing here. Okay, okay. Members, I hope you have understood very well these two pages. They are very important. Okay, the not found page and the error page. Okay, in case you face an error. Okay, okay, in case you face an error. Okay, okay. So members, I hope you have understood these pages very well. Okay, okay. So members, I hope everything is good. I hope everything is good. I hope everything is good. Okay, okay. So members, this one is good. We are done with this one. We're done with this one here, the not found page. Done with the error page. Now we are going on the next page, okay? On the next special route file, okay? Okay. So the next special route file we have, next one is the loading.tsx. The loading, okay? The next one we have is the loading, okay? Okay. This one you're seeing here, the loading, this loading you're seeing here, this one here is used for putting loading or spinners, okay? So here you can put there spinners, you can put there spinners, you can put there skeletons, okay? Skeletons, okay? You can put there loading, just maybe like loading, okay? Okay. So members here, this one is good, it's used for putting those nice features, okay? Okay. And this one here we normally symbolize it like loading, you could normally call it like loading.tsx. Loading.tsx, okay? Okay, just like this, okay? Okay. So this one here, when the browser is, or when the website is opening, or when the browser is opening, or certain area is opening, okay? Okay. This one here, we normally put loading there, okay? You can put an animation, you can put those nice things on there, on this page, okay? Okay. So let's come and see how it works. So then I come here in my app here, then I put here maybe loading.tsx, okay? Okay. So this one here will work when we are opening the page, okay? The home page, okay? Because it's directly proportional to the home page, okay? Okay. So then I say here RFC, as you can see. RFC, as you can see, it's there. Okay? It's there, as you can see, loading. So I can say here, I can give it maybe class name, and I give it, for example, class name of maybe like width full. Okay? And I give it maybe height maybe of screen. Okay? Height maybe of screen. And I give it maybe background color of maybe orange. I like so much orange. I like orange so much. Okay? Orange maybe 500. Okay? Okay. So in this one, I'm going to put there something like loading. I want to put there, let me even put there maybe flex. Then I put the item center. item center, and I put here justify center. Okay. Okay. So when I come, I put here maybe loading, just loading, just like this. Okay. Loading like this. Okay. Dash 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 three dots. Okay. Okay, just like this. So maybe let me put here text. Maybe let me put here maybe text XL. Okay, XL, just like this. Okay. Okay, and I say it looks like. So this one here is, you know, I put this one when we are loading. Okay, when we are loading. Okay, when you're putting something nice. Okay. Okay. So my website is here when it's loading. You're going to see it's coming. It's coming. Loading here. This is the React component. Okay. So let me first load and I see. Unload my website and I see. Unload my website and I see. So members, I don't know, it's not very visible at the moment. Let me first see. Unload my website from the beginning and I see it. So it's a React component. So let me first put there use client, because these ones here are React components. Okay, use client, and that's here it looks like use client. Okay. Okay, it's coming. I'll give it some time and I see. It normally comes when we are loading. When we are loading, for example, the website on the very first page. Okay. Okay. But this one here, basically, this one what you need to know is the loading. Okay. Okay. So see, otherwise it's taking some time. Why it's taking some time? Anyway, let me just leave this one. Members, just know this one is for loading. Okay. Just know this one is for loading. So let me just try to give you a hint about the rest of the things that we normally have, the rest of the pages that we normally have. Okay. Okay. So here is the loading. So there's a not-found page. This one is the layout. We also have another one called. The loading. We have the one called the layout.tsx. We have another one called the layout.tsx. The layout.tsx. This one is for the layout. Okay, the layout. Okay, this one here is for. This one here is also another special one. But this one here, members, we already know it a long time ago. This one we already know it. Okay, this one here harbors everything that is in a particular. It harbors all our pages. Okay, all our pages in one place. In our pages in one place. Okay, in one place. Okay. Okay, so this one is the layout. Okay, the layout.tsx. You have already seen this one. We also have another one which is called page.tsx. We have another one called page.tsx. Okay, .tsx. This one here also. This one you're already familiar with. This one here. This one is for pages. Okay, this one here is for pages. This one is for pages. Okay, I'm just trying to pass through these ones very fast. You can even make some research and you practice them. Okay. Okay. So this one here is for pages. Okay. Okay. So you're already familiar with that one. We also have another layout. It's called the template.tsx. Okay. We have another one called the template.tsx. Okay. This one here is another special route. Okay. This one is another special route, and this one here we normally use it when we are having page groups. Okay. When we are having different page groups. This one we normally use it. We normally use it when we are having page groups. Okay, page groups. Okay, when we are having page groups, and this one here normally helps us to create when you're having animations. Okay, when you're having animations in the browser. Okay. Okay, so it's different from the different from the loading. Okay, different from the loading. This one here is a different instance of layout. Okay, so this one got a different instance of a layout. This template.tsx. Okay. Okay, so you have the last one we normally have. Is the route.tsx. Okay, route.tsx. Okay. Okay, this route.tsx, as you can see, this one here is special. It's only and only for API routes. Okay, so it's special for only for API routes. Okay. Okay, we normally use this one when we are having API routes. Okay, when you're having API routes. Okay. Okay, which I'll find when we are dealing with API and CRUD, especially when you are dealing with CRUD. Okay. Okay, so members, I hope members you have understood what we have covered in today's class. Okay, make some research on this. I didn't want to cover this one because the video is getting a little bit lengthy, but make some research on this one and practice them. Okay, because they're going to use them a lot in the next coming future. Okay. Okay. And if you already subscribed, please hit the notification icon and subscribe button so you don't miss any of the upcoming classes. Okay. Okay. So members, I would like maybe to end here, but before I can end this video today, I would like to hint about what we're going to cover in tomorrow's class. Tomorrow is going to be day 75, and I'm going to look at videos and audios. Okay, videos and I mean maybe put here videos and audios, videos and audios, videos and audios. Okay, okay. So must don't miss tomorrow's class. Another important concept I'm going to introduce. Okay? Day 75, we're going to look at videos and audios. Okay? 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 Okay. So members, I would like maybe to end here. Please practice this concept. Okay? This is all we have which deals with the browsers like this one here for home about not-found.tsx and error. Those are the most important. Okay? Very, very important. Okay? Okay. So let's please keep practicing them. Please practice them on a daily basis. I would like to end here in today's class. Okay? Have a very good day. We shall meet in the next video tomorrow. Okay? Okay.